What if your motorcycle could be safer, smarter, and way easier to live with without buying a new bike? Welcome to Tronify Tech, where we break down next-level motorcycle gadgets that solve real rider problems. From garage hacks to ride-saving tech, these are upgrades you'll wonder how you rode without. Some of these make daily riding effortless, some protect your bike, and some straight up feel illegal for how useful they are. Stick around till the end, because one of these gadgets is a long ride game changer most riders completely overlook. Let's roll. ECOTRIC Motorcycle Wheel Chock. Ever tried parking your bike in the garage and felt that tiny panic moment when it might tip over? This ECOTRIC Motorcycle Wheel Chock completely eliminates that stress. The moment your front wheel rolls in, it locks your bike upright. No kickstand balancing act, no wobbles, no second guessing. It's adjustable, so it works with sport bikes, cruisers, dirt bikes, and even heavier touring motorcycles. Built from heavy-duty steel, this thing doesn't slide, flex, or cheap out. Whether you're storing your bike, cleaning it, or strapping it into a trailer, it holds solid. You can even bolt it down permanently or keep it portable depending on your setup. If you wrench on your bike at home, load it for track days, or just want peace of mind in the garage, this is one of those buy once, use forever tools. Double clamp mount. Riders who use their phone for navigation know the struggle. One bump and your phone becomes a missile. This double clamp mount locks onto your handlebars with serious grip. No shaking, no twisting, no slipping loose mid-ride. The dual clamp design distributes pressure evenly, keeping your device rock steady even on rough roads. What makes this mount stand out is its versatility. It doesn't just hold phones. It can secure action cameras, GPS units, small monitors, or accessories depending on your setup. The adjustable arms let you fine-tune the angle exactly where your eyes naturally land, so you're not constantly looking down. Installation takes minutes, and once it's on, it feels like part of the bike. If you ride daily, commute, or tour, this mount turns your cockpit into a clean, functional command center. Atlas Throttle Lock. Long rides are amazing until your wrist starts screaming. The Atlas Throttle Lock is a precision-engineered solution for rider fatigue. With a simple thumb motion, it holds your throttle position steady, letting you relax your grip without losing speed. Unlike bulky cruise assists, this one is discreet, bike-specific, and beautifully machined. It disengages instantly the moment you touch the brake or roll the throttle, so control is never compromised. This isn't about riding hands-free, it's about comfort, endurance, and safety on highway stretches. Riders who tour or commute long distances swear by it, and once you use it, your wrist will thank you every mile after. Sena Phantom ANC. Most motorcycle headsets let you hear music and calls. The Sena Phantom ANC does something way more important. It gives you peace inside your helmet. This helmet is built with active noise cancellation, meaning it actively reduces wind and road noise while still letting in critical sounds like traffic and sirens. The result? Less fatigue, clearer audio, and a dramatically calmer ride, especially at highway speeds. Inside, you get premium speakers tuned for riding, crisp voice pickup for calls, and seamless Bluetooth connectivity. Music sounds fuller, navigation directions are easier to understand, and phone calls don't feel like you're shouting into a hurricane. It also integrates communication features for rider-to-rider connection, making it perfect for group rides or touring couples. The design stays sleek and aerodynamic, so you're not trading comfort for tech. CARabc BMW motorcycle's touchscreen display. If you ride a BMW motorcycle and feel like your dashboard could do more, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. The CARabc touchscreen display adds a bright, responsive interface that puts navigation, ride data, and system controls right at your fingertips. The screen is glove-friendly, waterproof, and designed to stay readable in direct sunlight. It integrates cleanly with your bike, giving you quick access to maps, speed, RPMs, and riding info without cluttering your handlebars. Everything feels OEM, like it was meant to be there from day one. What really stands out is how intuitive it feels. No complicated menus, no distractions, just clear, smart information exactly where you need it while riding. Cardo Packtalk Edge Intercom. This is hands down one of the most trusted communication systems in the motorcycle world. The Cardo Packtalk Edge uses dynamic mesh communication, meaning your group stays connected even if riders drop out or rejoin. No pairing headaches, no reconnecting mid-ride. The audio quality is outstanding, powered by premium speakers that deliver deep bass and clear highs. Even at speed, voice commands let you control music, calls, and intercom without taking your hands off the bars. Installation is clean thanks to the magnetic mounting system, and once it's on, it's not going anywhere. Rain, dust, long rides. It's built for real-world riding. Alpinestars Tech-Air 5. Airbag vest. Most riders invest in performance parts before safety gear, but this is the kind of upgrade that can literally save your life. The Alpinestars Tech-Air 5 is a fully autonomous airbag vest that deploys in milliseconds the moment it detects a crash. No cables, no sensors on the bike, just put it on, zip up your jacket, and ride. Inside, it uses race-derived algorithms analyzing thousands of data points per second. If something goes wrong, the vest instantly inflates to protect your chest, back, ribs, and shoulders, areas that traditional armor can't fully safeguard. It's slim enough to wear under most jackets, rechargeable, and works for street riding, commuting, and touring. Once armed, you don't even notice it's there until you realize how much confidence it gives you. Garmin zūmo X TGPS. Phone navigation is fine until the heat, rain, vibrations, or battery drain ruin your ride. The Garmin zūmo XT is a motorcycle-built GPS designed for riders who actually ride. The screen is ultra-bright and readable in direct sunlight, even with gloves on. Rain, dust, heat, none of it phases this thing. It offers turn-by-turn navigation, off-road trail support, elevation data, and route planning specifically for motorcycles. You can even plan twisty routes instead of boring, straight highways. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you update maps without a computer, and its rugged mount keeps it locked in place no matter how rough the road gets. INNOVV K5 Motorcycle Dashcam. When something happens on the road, your memory isn't enough. Proof matters. The INNOVV K5 Dashcam records everything in front and behind your bike in crisp detail. Dual cameras capture your ride 24/7, automatically saving footage if it detects an impact or sudden movement. It starts recording the moment you turn the key. No buttons, no reminders, just constant protection. The footage can be reviewed on your phone, making it easy to save clips or share evidence if needed. Beyond safety, it's also perfect for capturing scenic rides, unexpected moments, or documenting long trips. Weatherproof, discreet, and built for motorcycles. You may never need the footage, but when you do, you'll be glad this camera was watching. NOCO Boost Plus Jump Starter. Few things kill a ride faster than a dead battery, especially when you're miles from home. The NOCO Boost Plus is a pocket-sized jump starter, powerful enough to bring your motorcycle back to life in seconds. No need to flag someone down, no waiting. Just clamp it on, press a button, and you're rolling again. It's spark-proof, reverse polarity protected, and safe, even if you're not a mechanical expert. Beyond jump starting, it also works as a power bank for your phone or GPS and includes a built-in LED flashlight for night emergencies. Small enough to fit under your seat or in a saddlebag, this is one of those tools you hope you'll never use, but absolutely need when the moment hits. Rehook Chain Cleaner Tool. Cleaning your chain is important, but it's also messy, time-consuming, and usually postponed. The Rehook changes that completely. This clever tool lifts your chain slightly so you can spin the rear wheel freely, without a center stand, paddock stand, or help from anyone else. In seconds, your bike is ready for chain cleaning or lubrication. It's compact, lightweight, and insanely easy to use. No balancing acts, no awkward angles, just faster maintenance with less hassle. If you ride often and actually want your bike to last, this tiny tool makes regular chain care painless. Motorcycle Cup Holder. This one sounds simple until you use it. A motorcycle cup holder lets you carry water, coffee, or energy drinks securely while riding. Mounted to your handlebars with a 360-degree adjustable clamp, it keeps your drink upright even over bumps. Perfect for commuters, touring riders, or long-distance trips where hydration matters. Pull over, grab your drink, and go. No digging through bags or stopping unnecessarily. It's one of those small comforts that makes a big difference on real-world rides. Wsdcam 113 decibel bike alarm. Nothing turns heads faster than an alarm, especially when it's protecting your bike. This Wsdcam 113 decibel bike alarm delivers ear-splitting protection that scares off would-be thieves before they even get a chance. It's wireless and waterproof, so it works in any weather and installs with zero drilling or complicated wiring. But what really sets it apart is the vibration sensor. Even a slight nudge, jostle, or bump triggers the alarm instantly, protecting your ride whether it's parked on the street, in your driveway, or at an event. It's compact, reliable, and loud enough that everyone nearby knows something's up. For riders who care about security, this alarm gives you peace of mind 24/7. If you want to ride with confidence knowing your bike isn't vulnerable while you're away, even for a minute, this little gadget is worth its weight in silent nights. KiWAV Motorcycle Cruise Assist Wrist Hand Grips. Long highway miles are awesome until your wrist starts yelling at you. These KiWAV Motorcycle Cruise Assist Wrist Hand Grips change the game for comfort riders. Instead of gripping the throttle with your wrist locked in place for hours, this cleverly designed assist takes the strain off your hand and lets you ride longer with less fatigue. They attach easily to your existing throttle and give your palm support, which reduces wrist pressure dramatically. The result? Your hand stays more relaxed, your control stays sharp, and long rides feel way more enjoyable. Touring riders and daily commuters especially love this because it turns long-distance riding from an endurance challenge into something closer to a glide. If you've ever wished the road felt less tiring, this small ergonomic upgrade delivers big results. Lexin G1 motorcycle Bluetooth headset. Staying connected on the bike shouldn't be a hassle. It should be seamless, clear, and intuitive. The Lexin G1 Bluetooth headset gives you hands-free audio for music, calls, and navigation without breaking the bank. It's waterproof, rugged, and designed specifically for motorcycle use, so wind noise, rain, and vibration don't kill your sound quality. Once paired with your phone, it stays connected as you ride, letting you hear directions, take calls, and enjoy playlists without ever touching your device. The buttons are glove-friendly, and the battery lasts long enough for even extended rides. Whether you're commuting, touring, or just cruising your favorite twisties, this headset keeps your ride connected, entertaining, and stress-free. And that's it. Motorcycle gadgets that actually make your life easier, not just cooler. Which one would you add to your bike right now? Drop your favorite in the comments. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next upgrade for your ride. This is Tronify Tech. Ride smarter, ride safer, and I'll see you in the next one.